kahit anong nangyari sa kanyang situation ngayon abroad, eh talagang confident pa rin siya to stay here in abroad na doing trading na lang. Ayan. So, Coach Jet, are you here? Ayan, baka naman ma-share mo ang ating, ang ano, ang story mo. Coach, nandito ka ba? Ayan. I hope nandito siya. Ayun.
Hello.
Hi, Coach.
Hello,
Kamusta?
hello. Sobrang hardworking. Grabe
Uy,
naman. Actually, guys, nawala. At actually tamad ako, pero kaya ako honestly naging interested sa platform natin is because of the Sage Master talaga. Anyway, before anything else, I'm gonna introduce myself. So, I'm just Suleiman. I'm a fashion photographer dito sa Dubai, and I've been living here for like almost 6 years na. So, ako naghahanap talaga ako ng side income streams because you know, I've been living paycheck to paycheck, and ayoko nang mangyari yung another 5 to or 6 years ganun pa rin situation ko. And at the same time, kung maghahanap ako ng side income streams, gusto ko yung ako na yung ako na yung may hawak mismo. So, when this platform got introduced, sabi ko, okay, check lahat, legalities, especially ikaw may hawak ng pera mo, hindi ka magbibigay ng pera kahit sino sa amin. So, okay. And then the last thing is yung educational platform, tapos mangongopya ka. And then yung Sage Master talaga, yun talaga yung nakapagpaano sa akin. And then, pinaka the best thing dito, however, it's not the product itself. Ako, pinaka hands down ako sa community natin, guys. That's it. I really believe kasi na kapag meron kang community wherein na ililift ka, paangat, guys, yung journey nyo sa financially, not totally financially, pero not totally financially, mentally, personal development, as in iangat ka. Ayun yung pinaka priceless na makukuha mo dito. So again, trading side, guys, actually trading side, pero sobrang convicted lang talaga ako to share my stories. That's why hindi na ako nahihiya. Before, ayokong share to kasi sabi ko, gusto kong sarilinin lang, pero eto guys, I don't know kasi baka may mabago yung buhay dito, di ba? So why not i-share mo na lang? Wala naman din mawawala. So eto guys, yung pinaka-journey ko dito, yan, nag-deposit ako ng $100. So, pang 4 months ko dito, before ako talaga nag-deposit, okay? So, inaral ko talaga siya, yung Wow Academy, tinutukan ko. Tapos sabi ko, okay, 4 months, nakapag-ipon ako, nag-deposit ulit ako ng $35. Okay? Pero after 2 weeks, yan, na-withdraw ko yung $100. Para lang matry ko kung gumagana yung withdrawal talaga sa local bank dito sa UAE. Sabi ko, shit, gumana. Tapos, the next day, na-withdraw ko yung 3.5. Break even ako, guys. 4 months ko dito, inaro ko lang yan. Zero knowledge yan. 3.5. Pero same day, another $500. Okay. Tapos, after 5 days, another $200. So, meron na akong $700, right? And then, 3 days trade, guys. Boom. I'm not bragging about numbers here. Sobrang facts lang lahat to. Pero saan ko kukuhain yung $20,000, guys? Convert nyo yan sa peso. Yun. Kayo na lang bahala dyan. Pero, imagine guys, saan ko kukuhain yung pera na yan? Pero ako, like I said, I've been living here in Dubai, and then nakaraan lang guys, like last month, second month na pala, second month ko, na freelance na ngayon, pero kasi bakit? Naalis ako sa trabaho wherein sabi nila, pagkapasok ko ng umaga, bigla lang akong pinatawag, bigla nilang sinabi, Jet, sorry, this is gonna be your last day. Pero sabi ko, hindi ako kabado kasi bala ko na rin mag-resign after 2 months. Kaso, so sabi ko sa kanila, okay, thank you. Kasi alis na ako sa wala na ako sa job ko, thank you. And then, kaso nga lang guys, the problem with that one is, pagbalik ko sa department namin guys, hindi lang ako yung naalis. I said thank you kasi kala ko ako lang naalis. Pero, pagbalik ko sa, sa department namin, wipe out kami guys. 40 na katao. I said thank you kasi meron akong backup plan. Paano yung 39 na katao na naalis? guys, meron doon na pagbalik ko ng department namin, umiiyak sila, they don't know what to do. And ayun guys, kaya sobrang nagpapasalamat ako when this platform got introduced kasi guys, we're not offering get rich quick scheme here. Eto guys, ang pinaka-offer namin dito, get rich for sure. We're in the, nakapag dito, inaral mo, nag-effort ka, tapos, as in hands up, 5 months ako dito, I earn like 1 million peso. Diba? Ganun guys. So, ayun, past profit doesn't guarantee future results. Pero, ayun guys, once nag-jump in kayo dito, we're gonna guide you. Ituturo namin yung sistema namin, kung paano namin na-hit yung mga ganitong numbers. And yeah, welcome dito guys. Welcome. Maraming salamat, Coach Jana, and that's all for me. I'm gonna jump lang sa next meeting namin. So, yan, hope to see you. Yes.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you so much. Grabe naman yun. 1M, 3 days.